Can I start now?
Your mama can stop now, girl.
You can see me through the mirror on here.
If I was a bird flying in the sky, twinkling stars would pass me by, and I'd sing this song like a lullaby, patiently waiting till I catch your eye. La 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 Sweet, sweet, I'm singing this for you.
I love my grandma.
Sweet, sweet, just say you love me too. Sweet, sweet, I'm calling out to you. If I was a star twinkling in the sky, tweeting birds would pass me by, and I'd sing this song like a lullaby, patiently waiting till I catch your eye. La 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 Twinkle, twinkle, I'm shining bright for you. Twinkle, twinkle, I'm singing.
Sorry, Mike.
Twinkle, twinkle, just sing. You love me too. Twinkle, twinkle, I'm calling out to you. The fact that you're a 10 makes me wish I was a 9. But maybe I'd have a chance to make you mine. But the truth is I'm a 3 minus 1 that makes me 2. And all I can do is sit here singing this for you.
Yeah. Sorry, Mike. So soon. I'd like to make a turn.
I'm sorry, Taylor Swift.
Oh, sad.